Open the provided design in OrCAD PCB Designer Professional with the Allegro Productivity Toolbox option selected. Select Route Shield Generator from the menu to open the Shield Generator window. Be sure the selected mode is Select Boundary and set the offset to 1.5. Under Create Shapes, set the type to Dynamic. Select the ground shape to display a preview of the shield. Click Apply to create the shield. The shield has been created, but it's interfering with the PCB layout, as noted by the DRC error markers. Select Delete Shield from the Mode dropdown. Click the shield on the PCB canvas to delete it. Set the mode back to Select Boundary and change the offset to 1.0. Set the width to 1.0. Select the ground shape in the PCB canvas to create a preview of the shield. Click Apply to create the shield. Select Delete Shield Via from the Mode dropdown. Click the shield vias in each corner of the PCB, the shield vias that interfere with the connectors at the bottom of the PCB, and any other vias creating DRC errors. Due to the via gap, some additional vias may be required for optimal shielding. Select Add Shield Via from the Mode dropdown. Click the desired location on the shield to add a via. Select Draw Rectangle from the Mode dropdown. Set the offset to 0 and the via gap to 1.5. Click and drag a rectangle around the desired block of circuitry. Click Apply and OK. The shield has been generated around the block. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.